Question number 4, students. What is asked in question number 4? Commercially available concentrated hydrochloric acid contains 38% HCl by mass. So what information is given over here? That commercially available concentrated hydrochloric acid contains 38% hydrochloric acid by mass, isn't it? So part 1 is, what is the molarity of the solution? Density is given, density of the solution is given to you, 1.19 gram per ml. And the second part is, what volume of the above concentrated HCl is required to make 1 liter of 0.1 molar HCl. We know that density equals to mass by volume. So by this only volume of the solution we will be calculating. Here they are asking what is the molarity of solution. तो molarity के लिए हम क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? मोलारिटी के लिए हमें वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन का पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर्स. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट वॉल्यूम. वी नो दैट 38% HCl by mass means 38 gram of HCl is present in 100 gram of the solution. So if 38 gram of HCl is present in 100 gram of solution, volume of solution would be mass by density. So mass of the solution is 100 gram by density given is 1.19 gram per ml. So volume is equal to 84.03 ml. Okay. Now moles of HCl to be calculated, given mass by molar mass, all of you know that. So 38 gram is given. 38% means out of 100 gram, 38 gram is given. So small m, that is given mass, is 38 and molar mass of HCl is 36.5 because of hydrogen has got atomic mass 1 and chlorine has got 35.5. So 1 plus 35.5, it becomes 36.5. So moles of HCl equals to 1.04 and molarity equals to 1.04 into 1000 by 84.03 ml. So to convert ml into liters, we have divided 84.03 by 1000. So 1000 has gone as numerator. Molarity comes out to be 12.38 molar. Now second part, from the molarity equation, M1V1 equals to M2V2. Now first concentrated acid we are taking as number 1, and the second one which we are going to prepare, 1 liter of 0.1 molar HCl, that is acid 2. So concentration, that means M1 we have calculated, which is 12.38. So 12.38 into V1 equals to 0.1 into 1 liter. So V1 can be calculated, 8.08 comes out to be 8.08 centimeter cube